It is very, very loud in here. Full production. Sound check, testing, 3, 2, 4.
Hey team, this is Luca Crusader Machining, back for another great video. Have you ever looked at a CNC lathe running and thought to yourself, hey, how do they set that up? If you want to see how I set up a CNC lathe in this quick 5, 8, 10, 12 minute video, follow along and watch. It's going to be pretty cool. We're going to go over stripping down and setting up our bar feed, putting in collet pads, loading material, loading our program into the machine, mounting the tool, touching it off, and then running the program through. Follow along to check it out. Let's get right to it. And that's all she wrote. That was a brief synopsis or demonstration of what it goes through to set up. Set the bar feed, set the collet pads, put the material in, put a tool, touch it off, load the program, run it through, bada bing, bada boom. I hope you guys liked the video. Once again, this is Luke with Crusader Machining. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. What'd you think of the video? What would you do different? How long does it take you to set up? You fast, slow, a little bit in between? You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Luke at Crusader Machining. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.